Welcome everybody, my name is JC and today we're going to do an unboxing of the Rode VideoMicro compact microphone as well as the accessories that you need in order to connect it to your iPhone or Android device. Let's get started. Okay, so this is the box. I'm just going to go ahead and unbox it right now. Okay, so let's get rid of this plastic and see what we have inside. Okay, so first up we have the quick start guide. Next we have the cable for connecting the microphone to a DSLR camera or mirrorless camera. We have this shock mount. Is it Rycut or Rycoat? Let me know in the comments. But basically it provides superior shock isolation. Finally, this is the actual microphone itself. So it looks like it's made of metal, maybe aluminum, and it has a cardioid microphone capsule inside. And what I mean by cardioid is that it's directional. So one thing I realized was that I couldn't actually connect with my iPhone out of the box with what was provided. I had to actually buy a new cable, and what this cable is basically a TRS to TRRS SC7 adapter cable. And let me open it right now. What's different compared to the original cable that's included is that one end is TRS, which is what's used to connect to regular cameras, while the other end is TRRS, which you can use to connect to your iPhone or Android device. You compare that to your regular cable. You'll see both ends are the same color, so what that means is both ends are TRS specified. One other item that you're going to need to connect to your iPhone in particular is a Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack, and let me open it. Oh, one thing I love about Apple is that they always have these easy to open tabs that you pull. So this is the Lightning to 3.5mm headphone jack adapter. So you would plug the TRRS side into this headphone jack adapter, and then plug this into your microphone and connect the other end to your iPhone. Now, but first, let's assemble this. Fits pretty easily. Okay, so this is a fully assembled microphone, so let's try and connect this to the iPhone and see what the sound sounds like. And I'm back. So I just attached the new microphone to the iPhone. How does it sound? Does it sound better? Does it sound worse? Let me know. So this is the sound with the microphone. Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing. And this is the sound without the microphone. So in terms of cost, the Rode VideoMicro costs about $59 on Amazon. The Lightning to 3.5mm adapter costs about $7.99, and then the TRS to TRRS patch cable, that costs about $10.95. All of those you can get on Amazon. So in terms of my thoughts, build quality looks to be good. It seems like it's built out of aluminum. I'm hoping that this will help improve the quality of my sound on my videos. So that's it today. Thanks everyone for joining. Be sure to like, comment, and subscribe. And this is JC Tech and Review signing out.